you can edit a fancy fill visually by using the Layout button in Object Properties. Simply select the fancy fill object and click on Layout. And you can move that grid by clicking on the middle blue object and moving it off. Each of these different blue patterns will affect the final pattern in a different way. Any of the blue patterns can be used to resize the pattern. I can click and drag on any of the corner resizing handles and the pattern will change proportionately. If I click and drag on one of the top or bottom control handles, it will change the pattern's height. Whereas if I click and drag on the side corner handle, it will change the width of the pattern. The center guide, in addition to changing the size, can be used to move the pattern around so I can accurately place it where I want to on the object. I can also use this center one to rotate the pattern. And by clicking inside the control handles and then dragging one of the corner handles, I can change the orientation of the pattern. I can also skew the pattern by using one of the control handles in the middle. If I want to change the row spacing and the row offset, I will select the top blue pattern and click and drag to change the row offset as well as the spacing. The side pattern can be used to change the column spacing. After making the changes, I simply press enter and I can visually see what happened to my pattern. If I want to make changes again, I can go back to the layout and make those changes. By adjusting the pattern spacing and the offset and then pressing enter, I've got a pattern I can now use. In addition to fancy fills, blackwork fill, candle wicking fill, and lacework fill can be edited using the layout function. And as you can see, all the different things that I changed have been updated in the properties, so I can recreate this exact fill again.